Hello everyone and welcome to this video on why you should use Laravel Web Framework for your next project. I'm going to be talking about what Laravel is and why people are using it on their web apps and on their projects. So what is Laravel? Laravel is a framework for creating web applications with an easy-to-use syntax. The idea behind Laravel is that it makes common development tasks easy, such as routing, authentication, sessions, and caching. Why are people using Laravel to build out their next web application? As mentioned earlier, it has a very large growing community. Laravel was developed by Taylor Otwell and was released in June of 2011. Since then, it has grown to be one of the most popular PHP web frameworks today. Laravel has a great ORM and database layer called Eloquent. Each table in the database has a corresponding model which is used to interact with that particular table. You can see a standard SQL query translated to a query function for Eloquent by reading the blog, which will be posted in the description of this video. Routing is easy and simple to do. Again, there's going to be some examples of routes and how you can use them in the blog article that we'll post in the description there. The functional core can be extended. It can easily be integrated with other third-party libraries, and to do this, you can use Composer or Packagist. Last, unit testing is supported out of the box. You can use the PHP unit.xml for PHP unit testing. You can also use example test.php, which is meant for running tests on the feature and the unit directories. So such tests can be run by using the PHP unit command. It's very easy to run any sort of unit tests that you're looking for, and not a lot of other web frameworks come out of the box with these type of capabilities. Now that you know about Laravel, you can also use DevRadius's web development services for any Laravel project. DevRadius has an extensive experience when it comes to building web applications using Laravel and other PHP frameworks, so they are complete professionals. I'm going to go over how you could use DevRadius for building out your next web application using Laravel or any other PHP web framework. So stay tuned and I'll let you guys know a little bit more about DevRadius.
You can begin the development process by sending us full document of requirements, mockups, and wireframes if applicable. We can also perform the discovery phase on request to better understand your project. Based on the size of the project, we can provide a free quote for small projects. For medium to large projects, we normally perform the discovery phase, where larger projects are broken down into smaller sprints, 1 to 2 weeks long, and are estimated individually, and the total number of hours required to complete the project is then produced by examining all individual phases or sprints. Here is how to get started. Step 1. Get in contact with us and send your requirements, mockups, and wireframes to one of our representatives to discuss your project in further detail. Step 2. Receive our quote on how many hours we estimate the project or tasks will take to develop. Step 3. Purchase prepaid blocks of time for our developers to get started on the project. Step 4. Work directly with our development team to finish the project. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to working with you in the future.